Hey, are you okay? You are very quiet today.
I'm okay. I'm just thinking.
Come on, I know you. Tell me what's wrong.
It's nothing serious, really. It's just sometimes I feel like I'm stuck, you know? Like everyone around me knows what they're doing. And I'm just lost.
That's normal. Life is hard sometimes. You don't need to know everything now.
But you always knew what you wanted. You were always sure.
Me, I didn't know either. I just tried different things until something worked. I'm still learning now.
I don't know. I feel like I'm late.
Late for what? There's no race. Everyone goes at their own speed.
Maybe, but when I see my friends getting jobs, traveling, or getting into relationships, I feel like I'm missing out on life.
You're not missing anything. You are on your own path and that's okay. You will be where you need to be. Don't worry.
You really think so?
Absolutely. You're smart, you're capable, and you've got a good heart. Trust me, you're doing just fine.
Thanks. I think I needed to hear that.
Anytime, you have so much time. Don't be so hard on yourself, alright?
I'll try. I just don't want to disappoint you.
Disappoint me. Never. I am proud of you, no matter what.
Really?
Of course, you are my little sister. I will always believe in you.
Thanks, brother.
So, any plans for the weekend?
Not really. I might hang out with some friends. What about you?
I'm going to relax. Maybe watch some movies or play video games.
You work hard all week. You deserve a lazy weekend. But don't forget to clean your room.
Ooh, don't remind me. My room as well, it's a work in progress.
It's always a mess.
I'll just wait for the cleaning fairy.
I got it, bro. I will tidy it up myself.
That's why you are my only little sister. So, you really don't have any weekend plans? No secret parties?
Secret parties, I'm not as wild as you were.
Oh, please, I was an angel when I was your age.
Yeah, right? Mom still talks about the time. You crashed your bike into the neighbor's fence.
That was an accident. The bike had a mind of its own.
Sure, blame the bike.
It's true, I've always been the innocent one. You, on the other hand.
What? I'm the perfect child.
Oh yeah. What about the time? You accidentally broke my favorite video game.
That wasn't my fault. The controller just slipped.
Slipped right into the wall, huh?
Oops.
Yeah. Oops, you owe me for that one, by the way.
I'll buy you a new game when I win the lottery.
I'll be waiting. Let me know when that happens.
Do you remember when we used to build pillow forts in the living room?
Oh yeah, and then Mom would come in and tell us to clean it all up before dinner.
But we never did until Dad came home and gave us the look.
Oh, that look, it was enough to make us move fast.
Right, he didn't even have to say anything. Just raised his eyebrow, and we knew it was time to clean.
Mom used to sneak us extra chocolate when Dad wasn't looking.
Yes, she'd say, "Don't tell your father."
Mom was great at keeping secrets.
I miss those simple moments.
Me too. Life felt so easy back then. Mom and Dad loved that we were close, even when we fought.
Yes, they did. Mom said no matter what, you two will always have each other.
And it's true, I have some good news.
What is it? You look so happy.
I've decided to get married. I asked Emily to marry me, and she said yes.
Wow, that's amazing. Congratulations, I'm so happy for you both.
Thanks, I wanted to tell you first. Emily will move in with us before the wedding. It would be nice if you two got to know each other better.
I'd love that. I can't wait to have her as my sister-in-law.
I'm glad Mom and Dad are really happy too. They are so excited about this.
I bet it's such a special time for our family. How can I help with the wedding?
We're planning family dinners before the wedding. You can help make Emily feel welcome.
Of course, maybe we can do something fun together to get to know each other.
That sounds great. If you have any ideas for the wedding, let me know.
I will. It's going to be so much fun to celebrate with the whole family.
Yes, I'm really excited for you to be close with Emily.
I'm sure we'll get along well. I'm so happy to see you starting this new chapter.
Thanks, your support means a lot. I'm looking forward to all the happy memories we'll make.
Me too. It's going to be a wonderful time for all of us.
I also wish you happiness, my dear.
Thank you, my super brother.